Hello everyone, we are from Group 3. Today we'd like to introduce our project called AlgoFun, AI-based web application for logic and algorithm development. This project is supervised by Ms. Dwi Amalia Purnamasari and developed by our team, Ms. Ke, Putri, and Karina. Before we start, here is a quick overview of what we'll be presenting today. We'll start with the background and main problems, then move on to our proposed solution, the use case, ERD system, and AI architecture, and finally, the conclusion. So let's begin by looking at the problem that inspired AlgoFun. Many elementary students struggle to understand basic mathematical logic, especially when solving abstract or word problems. Meanwhile, teachers find it hard to give individual support because each student learns at a different pace. As a result, learning often feels less engaging. To design an effective solution, we first need to understand how logic connects to mathematics and critical thinking. Critical thinking helps students reason and make decisions based on evidence. Mathematics trains structure and precise problem solving, and logic acts as the bridge between them. It strengthens both math and skills and critical thinking. By improving logical thinking, students become better problem solvers in both math and real life.
Okay, based on the problems we discussed before, we designed and built a solution called AlgoFun. AlgoFun combines fun learning, adaptive technology, and smart analytics to create a more effective and enjoyable way to learn logic mathematics. To understand how the system works in a real situation, let's look at the use case diagram. It shows the main interaction between students, teachers, and admin. I will explain three functions we developed. Number one, it's mengunggah materi dasar. Admin upload a PDF containing mathematics logical material as the EI dataset course. Number two, it's mengelola kelas. Teacher create a class, share the code, and monitor the student who join the class. Number three, melihat laporan performa siswa. Teacher access student learning report to view their progress, obtain score, and learning weakness. Alright, this is our ERT, which we discussed in the previous use case is reflected in our ERT. The entity like Materi, Chang, and AI generate questions represent the admin and AI process for question creation. Meanwhile, entity class, siswa, and laporan represent how teacher manage their classes and track student performance. The analysis kelemahan siswa entity stores the result from AI analysis showing each student's common mistake and improvement suggestions. Finally, the system architecture connects all these parts together. AlgoFun is built using Laravel for the backend and web interface using Tailwind CSS and LPGS, Postgre for database management, Fast API, Python integrate with OpenAI for AI processing.
Now let's move on to the AI architecture, starting with the admin side and then student side. First, this diagram shows our complete RAG pipeline for generating structured content from PDS. First step is extracted page by page using PyMu PDF, then split into chunks of 1,000 tokens with overlaps and converted into vector appendings using OpenAI's appending model. These appendings are stored in key-trans for semantic search. When a user submits a query, the system retrieves the most relevant chunks, builds a context window, and sends it to GPT-4o Mini, which generates well-structured topics, question, or answers based on the document. And this is the student side. This architecture shows how our system models student knowledge and personalizes learning. It starts with collecting student activity data, like interactions and videos views, which are transformed into feature vectors, conferring time, performance, engagement, and behavior. These features are processed by an AI model like a neural network or SVM to estimate each student's knowledge state. If confidence is low, the system recalibrates using a skill graph and next-level content. Finally, a continuous feedback loop updates the features, allowing the model to keep learning and improving personalization.
For our current progress, our wireframe and system design, including the ERD and use case, are complete. Front-end progress is around 20%, and the back-end has started integrating AI for the admin material upload feature. Next, we'll continue full development and testing. In short, AlgoFun helps students learn logic and algorithm in a fun, interactive way using AI. That's all from our presentation. Thank you for listening.